This is a male and female boat on Lake Waikaremoana in New Zealand. The female here, the CB, is playing hard to get. The male, facing away from the water, is thinking, "Bitch, please." You can see here there's a stalemate. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in there and stick my finger in the female to get some excitement.
The following images cannot be seen due to the graphic sexual nature. The BBC would like to apologize for this sexy interlude. Look at these clouds. Beautiful. Good.
The female having now been moistened and the coital act having taken place most robustly, she now rests like a whale in shit. And the male, feeling proud of his achievements, albeit having had help from yours truly, feels deep inside that he has fulfilled his reason for living. And so we see here these two creatures, the CB and the male CB, sitting and just catching.